Welcome back to the channel. Thought I would do a quick video about what type of tool belt or nail bags that I use. I see a lot of different guys, again, just like everything else, trailers, tools, saws. Everybody's got their favorite brand or setup that they use. So but I'd go ahead and kind of show you what I use and see if you can get something out of that. Okay, for many years, most of my carpentry career, I used not this exact one, but this exact one, meaning not actually this tool belt, but the same company, McGuire-Nicholas company. I used the same setup tool belt for years. I could never really get into using a big framing setup. This always worked for me. But what I really didn't like about this is I'd always have a square, and I just put it down in here, a speed square. I never liked that it didn't have a slot specifically for the square. But I used that for years, but I no longer use this as a tool belt. I do sometimes still use that on certain occasions. But I've gone modular, I've gone pared things way down. So basically this is what I use for a tool belt now. I found this on Amazon. Holds my tape, my utility knife, my little nail set, and a pencil. Got a little hammer loop for a hammer if I carry one. I don't always. Usually don't actually carry a hammer on me. And this is my little multi-purpose pouch. I use this for my little trim square and my cell phone. And so that's what I carry on me on my jobs when I'm doing installs, whether it be trim or doors or the built-ins. Now, if I'm doing installs of ceilings, and I'm gonna be up on ladders or on scaffolding or something like that, then I'll actually get rid of this little pouch here and put this one on. And that's so that I can actually keep some of the tools that I normally keep handy nearby in my toolbox on me, such as nail pullers and nail sets and my speed square and nails generally for whatever type of fasteners I'm using. So that will go on me if I'm up on ladders, and I'm running, any kind of ceiling boards or trim. I'll pull this one out, put that on, and that kind of becomes the setup. A lot of times I will actually just take this off of this and put it on the belt that I'm wearing. Just use my tape measure, my pencil, really, utility knife for opening things, but for the most part, that's what I carry. All the other tools I see guys carry it in their rigs, and they, guys got so much weight on them, and God bless them for that. I don't do that. I keep a toolbox nearby, try to keep this as lightweight as possible, and it's kind of the way I handle it. Sometimes I have a couple of other little pouches here, so if I have something else that I want to carry for that specific job on me that, is out of the ordinary, I have another little pouch there for that. But this works for me. Usually, sometimes I may have my mallet in here more than a hammer, really, usually on my installs. But if I'm doing more construction type setting doors or framing or anything like that, I'm probably gonna put that one on, or I just may go back to using the old school, what I call the old school carpenter belt. Not really sure, it's not a framing tool belt. It's, I think it's actually meant for the tape to go in the front. I always turn it around and work the other way. But anyway, I just thought I would share this with you guys. What I've got going here. This is the current tool belt setup, lightweight, modular, and for me, functional. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. thanks for watching. Short video. I just wanted to get that out, kind of give you guys an idea of what I use for those tool belts, nail bags, or tool belt, or whatever you want to call it, the gear that I carry. So hope you enjoyed it, and see you on the next one.